Number 22. In 2008, Zinah, cool name, earned 14% more than in 2007, and in 2009, Zinah earned 4% more than in 2008. If Zinah earned Y times as much in 2009 as in 2007, what is the value of Y? Well, they're not telling us how much Zinah originally made in 2007, so I'm just going to call that X. She made X dollars, and then in 2008, she made 14% more. So how would I represent that? How would I say from 2007 to 2008, she made 14% more? What could I multiply X by? If I multiply X by 14%, which is the same as 0.14, I'm going to get 0.14X. Well, that's a portion of X. That's a less than a fifth of X. That's not 14% more. If we're talking about how much more, this was the increase. It was this plus this is what she made in 2008, 14% more. So there's two ways you can look at it. You can look at it as saying, well, she made X amount of dollars in 2007. She made 14% more. And then I'm going to add those together to get 1.14x because it's 1x plus 0.14x. That absolutely is a valid way to look at it. Another way, which is probably more common in your math book, is saying, well, there was 100% of X that has to be included in this because this is just the increase. But when I'm multiplying, I want something here to indicate that this part doesn't go away. It's this plus this extra. Since this is 100% of what she made, this needs to be 100% plus 14% or 114%. X needs to be multiplied by 114%, and 114% is 1.14. So X times 1.14 is 1.14X. Percents are one of those things where, because it's a fraction and it's a decimal and it's, there's always more than one way to look at it. Okay, so that's from 2007 to 2008. Then from 2008 to 2009, she made 4% more. All right, so now this is where, like I said, in this previous one, you could have just looked at it as 1 plus 1.14. This is where I think this method, it's a little easier to use it when you're having these compound, like interest on interest, compound interest. Okay, so in 2008, we have 1.14x, and then there's an additional 4%. So what am I going to multiply it by? And I probably shouldn't use another x to indicate multiply. Let's use a dot. Let's make it clear. 1.14x times what to have that additional 4%? Just like with the previous one, we don't want to multiply by 0.04 because that would be just what the 4% of it was. No, we need something that represents the 100% of the original. And my cat got on my lap, so that percent looked really wonky. There we go, 100% of the original plus an additional 4%. So we need to multiply it by 104% or 1.04. And when I multiply those together, I am going to get, and I'm going to look at my notes because I can't multiply that in my head. I'm going to get 1.1856x. Now, so it means to get from 2007 to 2009, if I multiplied the 2007 amount by 1.1856, I would find out how much money Zinah made in 2009. And what was the question? If Zinah earned Y times as much in 2009 as in 2007, what is the value of Y? That's probably the wonkiest line I've ever drawn. What is the value of Y? It is this number right here. It's what I am multiplying x by x this many times as much. It is 1.1856, which is D. Again, there's multiple ways you can look at this because of it being a percentage, but yeah, that's the way I looked at it. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.